Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tally ledger. A ledger in Tally acts as an individual account for various items, customers, or expenses. It systematically records all financial inflows and outflows. Without ledgers, you cannot record any transactions, making them fundamental for accurate accounting. Tally automatically provides two essential ledgers: cash and profit and loss. These form the backbone for all your financial entries and reporting. To begin creating a new ledger, first access the gateway of Tally. From there, go to Accounts Info and then select Ledgers. You'll have two options: single ledger for creating one at a time, or multiple ledgers if you need to set up several simultaneously. Next, you'll enter a unique name for your ledger. Remember, duplicate names are not allowed to ensure clarity in your accounts. After naming your ledger, you can add an optional alias for easier identification. Crucially, you must select the correct group from the list of groups, such as bank accounts or indirect expenses, to classify your ledger properly. If applicable, enter the opening balance, specifying whether it's a debit or credit. You can also fill in important mailing, banking, and tax registration details to ensure comprehensive record keeping. Once all details are entered, simply press Ctrl+A to save your new ledger. Tally offers flexibility, allowing you to alter or modify ledger details whenever necessary. To do this, navigate back to the gateway of Tally, then Accounts Info, Ledgers, and select Alter. Keep in mind a critical rule: you cannot delete a ledger if any transactions or vouchers are associated with it. This safety feature prevents accidental data loss and maintains financial integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.